and they are very oblong. They've hit a lot of curbs. Up the rash like this. Feels good to be back at home, working with my best friend in the garage. You probably need a big... There's a flat spot here.
Oh, I see that flat spot.
It looks like an octagon. Let's go ahead and just put everything in one of these boxes.
Something dumb. We're looking down on the camera.
Oh, we always look dumb on the camera, bro. Wait, you were talking about foot brake. You don't even know how to use your foot brake. What are you talking about?
Scrape every time I do.
Yeah,
I mean, I loop every time I do.
Your Jesus lovers?
My Jesus lovers.
What's going on, guys? So, it's been about a week or so, and I started working on this stuff, but haven't gotten very far because started a new job. I work at Scooter Swap Shop. Go ahead and check it out over there. I do all the video and marketing, and Facebook, Instagram, yada, yada, yada for them. I am going to show you a couple things really quick. So we got this rear wheel and this rear wheel. These are the original wheels off the bike that we're gonna be using, and they are very oblong. They've hit a lot of curbs. These are in really good shape from dents, so they're not like super dented up. They have some chips and stuff, but I'm gonna clean all that up. We got the frame over here, the swing arm, engine, front forks, the front wheel. So I'm gonna take this wheel because this one seems a lot straighter than this one. So I'm gonna pop this off, use this one, and then all this stuff we're putting up for sale for the most part. Well, not all of it, but the cages, they're gonna go up for sale. Then we got like a master for sale. This whole bike is gonna go for sale. This bike is probably gonna be sold pretty much as soon as we post it because the demand for these is pretty decent. We got the tank that I'm using. So this one's gonna get redone. The subframe, bunch parts that are going to powder coat. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking the little sanding disc and cleaning up the rash like this. So anything like that, I'm just cleaning it up so when it comes back from powder coat, it doesn't look too horrible. So that's what I'm doing today. And then I'm gonna just make a pile over here and then grab the wheels, set them with the pile, and then I'll get the tires taken off of them. And then we'll just head over to powder coating. John hopefully ordered the fairings. We have like a whole box here of fairings that we're gonna use, but we decided we're gonna take that box of fairings, put it on this bike, and make this bike a full fairing, just standard, just regular street bike, sell it as that. So we're gonna list it for like $3 grand or so. And it has quite a bit of like miscellaneous things. It's got a full exhaust, it's got rear sets, it's got, yeah, just a bunch of miscellaneous things. John is very busy over the next 2 weeks. He's in the military and he is a busy guy. So he will be back probably next week to help me out with some stuff, which is buttoning this up. I don't need any help, but John wants to be involved. So I'm hoping to have all this stuff at powder coating when he gets back. So today, I'm just gonna work on this stuff. It's not gonna be super fancy, so I'll probably just kind of fast forward through this and get back to you guys a little bit later. Guys, I got some great news for you. This is a commercial break. Pretty crazy, right? I worked out a deal with Impact Tech, and they're gonna give you guys 10% off of any products on their website. They hands down make some of the best products on the market when it comes to protection. The cool thing about this is I've been using Impact Tech products for many years, all the way back to like around 2010. And I've never had any issues. I've always got taken care of if I had any questions with them, and I reached out to them and said, hey, I'd like to offer a deal for my audience. Is that possible? And they're like, yeah, no problem. And I reached out to them because of my experience, and it was always great, and I've always backed them up, and I've always suggested their products to people over the years. So spoiler alert, we're gonna be using a crash cage from Impact Tech and a front fairing stay from Impact Tech on this build. Now, we would have used other parts. We already had all the parts that we needed for this build, so there's no reason to purchase anything else. So head on over to impacttechusa.com and use the code PHATPAT, P-H-A-T-P-A-T, and you'll get 10% off your next purchase. So huge shout out to Impact Tech for offering that deal to you guys, and let's get back into the action. Excuse the audio, but I'll get more into depth on this later. Just wanted to show that I have all the wheels. These tires are coming off of all three of these because that one needs a new tire put on, so that will get a new tire. And then all this stuff is cleaned up. This is all cleaned up. I mean, cleaned up as in the scratches taken off of it. And here's the bike. That are staying, that tank we're going to use. Well, yeah, so I'm getting really close, but it's late and I want to get ready and go to bed. I have a long week of work and I have to get to all this, so I got to clean up this area and then I'll be happy. Say hello to this. Finally taking these tires off this, so got 4 of them to do.